The water tank is one of the most important objects of your house as it is the main source of water. You use water for various purposes, like cooking, washing, drinking, etc. In order to take care of your family, you must ensure that the water tank is clean and tidy. Overhead water tank cleaning may sound like too much work, but it's important. You always think of clean water, you install RO, purifier, and water filters at your home, you even boil water for your kids, but you must not forget about the water tank as well. A properly cleaned water tank will help you maintain health and hygiene in better ways. In this post, I will discuss the procedures of cleaning the overhead water tank in 5 easy steps. The clean water tank is the root of good health and hygiene, and that's the reason people these days go for professional cleaning services to clean overhead tank and underground sump. But you please make sure you have ample water in your reservoir before cleaning the tank. Steps for overhead water tank cleaning. If you follow these steps, you will be able to clean the water tank easily. For cleaning the water tank, you need a. Water and detergent, soap and household laundry powder will do. B. Hard brush. C. High pressure jet. Make sure, before you start to clean the water tank, the surroundings of the tank and the exterior of the tank has to be cleaned. The tools used in cleaning the tank must be disinfected. I have followed some steps in cleaning the water tank, and I am discussing the same in my article for you. 1. Empty the tank. The water that is stored in the tank should be drained out. I suggest that you use the water of the tank in some household chores, in this way you do not have to waste the water. In this sultry summer, there is a prevailing scarcity of water, so I suggest you use up the water, thus you can empty the tank. You can also drain the water and the sludge using a sludge pump. 2. Scrubbing of the tank. After you empty the tank, you will have to clean the floors and the walls of the tank by manual scrubbing. By scrubbing, you can remove the dirt, sediments, fungus, and the stains. You must wear a mask while cleaning the tank. After the scrubbing, the floors and ceiling of the tank are washed using water and a high-pressure jet. 3. Vacuum cleaning. You can soak the dirt and sediments using the vacuum cleaner. The sediments and dirt sometimes settle on the floors of the tank, and they are hard to remove. So to be double sure, you can do the scrubbing and also vacuum cleaning. 4. Disinfecting the tank and the pipes. You can use anti-bacterial spray or liquid bleach for disinfecting the tank. This is necessary to ensure that the tank is purified and free of germs. After this, the tank is again filled with water and is made to run through the taps to disinfectant the water pipes. You must make sure that the tank, as well as the pipes, are clean because the water will reach you by running through the pipes. 5. Empty tank left for drying. The water from the tank is now drained and now you can leave the tank for drying. After the tank is dry, you can refill the tank, which is now ready to use. To conclude, you will need 4 to 6 hours for the whole overhead water tank cleaning, but this pain is worthy enough for the health of your family. I suggest you perform the task under expert and professional supervision. There are several companies that will clean the water tank for you with reasonable charges. I advise you to take professional help as the application of chemicals like disinfectants and other specialized tools are involved here. If you do not remember the last time when you had the tank cleaned, I suggest you book an appointment with professional water tank cleaners immediately. You can keep yourself away from the hassles of doing the cleaning procedures by hiring professional tank cleaners. I hope I can help you out by giving you the idea of how to clean the overhead water tank. Without any second thought, you must take a step to ensure better health of your family and yourself. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make Home.